Mrs. Dilber? To think that I live in a world of fools such as this. What is Christmas but a time for paying bills without money? A time for finding yourself a year older but not an hour richer. Time for having every item presented in your books dead against you. Scrooge! Who's there?
Ebenezer.
What?
Remember me.
Stay away.
It's Jacob Marley. Marley? Your ex-associate.
But you're dead.
See these chains round my legs. We created them all.
Oh, it must be what I ate. Yes, you're a crumb of cheese, underdone potatoes. There's more gravy than grave about you, whatever you are.
Ebenezer, listen to me. I don't have long to explain my misery. All these souls, shackled like me, are pained in their own remorse.
Why, a slight disorder, the stomach cheats the senses. You're an undigested piece of beef, a blot of mustard.
Scrooge and Marley, what a lark. We took from pain and poverty. Now these deeds have chained my legs and sealed my fate for good. But for you, there is a way to clean up your sad misdeeds. Listen well to the spirits tonight. You'll see, and you'll escape my fate.
But you were a good man of business, Jacob.
Mankind was my business. Charity, mercy were all my business. At this time of the lonely year, I suffer most. Why did I walk the crowds of fellow beings with my eyes turned down? Hardy and eyes that shine. No king now comes to escape his destiny. Don't be scared, Mr. Scrooge, just because it will be you. But for you, there is still time to dispense with hate and greed. Listen well to the spirits of Christmas Eve and tell me, maybe you'll escape my fate. Maybe you'll escape my Captain Martin, double iron. Not to know that life is too short. Not to know that no space of regret can make amends for one's life's opportunities misused. No rest. No peace. Incessant torture. I wear the chains I bought in life. I made them of my own free will. The weight and length of the strong toil you bear yourself. It is a ponderous chain, Ebenezer. Ponderous. Marley, what's in a name? Now I'm nothing but helpless misery. Can't escape my own regrets. They're locked and bolted on me. But for you, there is still time to clean up your sad misdeeds. Listen well to the spirits
Tonight you'll see.
and maybe you'll escape my fate. Maybe you'll escape my maybe you'll escape my fate. Expect the first spirit at the stroke of one.
I'd rather not.
The second on the next night at the same hour.
Couldn't I just take them all at once and have it
The
over
third
with?
thereafter. Look to see me no more. And look that for your own sake you remember what has passed between us.
Is that the chance and hope you'd mentioned earlier, Jacob? Jacob? Jacob! A crumb of cheese. A mild disorder of the stomach. A blot of mustard. Underdone potatoes.